Hi there, this is Mohammad Abbas from Computer Tech Skill. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you all about appearance, in which all of the options are present, which you can find stroke, fill, opacity, and so on. So without any further ado, let's get started. So have a look at the thing that I'm going to teach you, my friend. That is all related to appearance. So what I need to do is make sure to go for rectangular and draw sort of rectangular there by holding the Alt and the Shift button there. Make sure to apply color from this place. So you can see I have apply sort of color there, which you can also see the result there. So let's suppose I'm applying a stroke color inside that of the rectangular. You can also see the result there over there. Let me put it there so you can have results over there. So I've got opacity there, which you can increase or decrease the size of that, or maybe the amount of that. And along with that, we've got a make mask option, which I have already taught you in the previous tutorial. So I'll be trying to make you understand about all of the stroke and all of the certain things that are present there. So have a look at the fill color, my friend, there. Have a look at this one. If I click there, we have got more of the option like transparency panel. Make sure to click there and decrease the opacity, which is something same. So just try to click there and change the color there, any color you want. And then you must have more of the options, which I must have taught you in the previous tutorials. Like this is related to colors. So let's have a look at this, my friend. So we've got more of the options, like we've got duplicate selected items. So if you click there, we've got second color inside that of the shape. See, that is what is working like that. Means you can create more than one color there. In case you want to delete that out, make sure to click there and you are good to go, and you have deleted that. Let me change the color of that. I have changed the color of that. So there is another option which is going to be so much interesting, like stroke. So I have already applied a stroke there, which you must be observing there. See, have a look at this. So let's try to click there and make sort of duplicate of that. And this time make sure to apply different sort of color there, like I have applied green color. So if you increase the color of that, or maybe just try to decrease the color of that, and just try to increase the color of that one. So now you must be observing that we've got two sort of strokes there. If you want to make a duplicate of that, make sure to click there and you're good to go. And this time what I need to do, make sure to apply sort of orangish color there, and this time increase the color of that. Have a look at this, my friend. You must be observing the results there. And if you want to make furthermore, make sure to click there. This time apply any sort of different color there. Let's have a look at this, my friend. Have a look at this. So this is a sort of a design is coming there, and you can play with that. Let's have a look at this, my friend. So let's try to change the color of that to sort of purple color and decrease the color of that, in fact. So this is something working like that. So this is something, my friend, sort of one shape is there, which you can create many sort of stroke inside that of the shape, which you can also decrease or increase the opacity of that by just using this sort of option. Like see, I've got purple color there, which I am able to be increasing or decreasing the size of that. And there are more options like add a new stroke, something same I have taught you, and add a new fill, which you can furthermore try and work on it. And there we have got more of the options, which I'll be teaching you in the coming tutorials. Clear appearance, which I have clear the appearances that I have applied. So this is something all related to appearance, which I'm going to repeat for you, that you can make more of the strokes or you can make more of the fills there, and then you can work on it same way like I have worked. And there is another option, my friend. If you want to hide that out, make sure to click to toggle visibility. Make sure to click there. After that, this is going to be working. Have a look at this, my friend. So all of the things are working something like that. So I have done that. So this is what is all about appearance. So there is another option that is known as graphic style, which you can apply there, my friend, and add new one. And then you must be having 3D effects like this, which you can furthermore apply there and benefit that. And you can have more of the design, more of the styles, which I cannot make different sort of tutorial for you regarding the same thing, so I have to be including that there. Have a look at this, my friend. If you want to go for the next one, make sure to click there. Have a look at this panel, make sure to click there, and you're good to go, and you can apply more of the designs. You can go for the previous designs and styles. Let's have a look at this, my friend. So anyone you like, anyone you design for, you can click there and enjoy that. Have a look at this, my friend. This is going to be so much interesting, I think. Have a look at this and have a look at this. If you can go for the previous ones, you can also go for the previous ones, which you can also find some sort of 3D shapes. I hope you have enjoyed the tutorial. If you did, please give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon for more. Thank you so much for watching the tutorial. See you in my next tutorial. Till then, bye bye and take care.